Welcome to the channel. Today we're discussing the future of AI with Google's latest innovation, Mariner. Powered by the revolutionary Gemini 2.0 platform, this AI agent is set to change the way we navigate and interact with the web. But it's not just about automation, it's about giving users more control, smarter tools, and a glimpse of what's next in the world of AI. Let's get started. Google has taken a significant leap in the artificial intelligence AI race by introducing Mariner, an AI agent powered by its Gemini 2.0 platform. This advanced neural network is designed to navigate websites and perform tasks autonomously while maintaining user control over the final outcomes. Unlike traditional chatbots, Mariner is a research prototype that aims to redefine how people interact with the web. Gemini 2.0, the power behind Mariner. At the core of Mariner is Gemini 2.0, Google's cutting-edge neural network that learns from vast datasets comprising text, images, and sounds. Unlike systems that merely memorize data, Gemini 2.0 understands and applies its knowledge to mimic human-like actions. This capability enables Mariner to navigate complex websites, click buttons, fill out forms, and even manage tasks like creating a virtual grocery shopping cart. While Mariner handles the operational aspects, users retain control over the final decisions, such as confirming purchases, advanced capabilities, and transparent operations. One of Mariner's standout features is its multimodal understanding, which allows it to interpret and reason across various types of data on a browser screen, ranging from pixels and text to interactive elements. This capability is complemented by advanced reasoning skills that enable Mariner to break down complex instructions into smaller, actionable steps. Importantly, it seeks clarification if it encounters unclear instructions, ensuring transparency and a user-friendly experience. Performance benchmarks Mariner has shown impressive results in its developmental phase. It scored 84% accuracy in multimodal screen understanding tests and achieved 90.5% on tree tasks in the Web Voyager benchmark. These evaluations incorporated real-world scenarios to ensure practical applicability. Human reviewers further assessed its outputs, validating its performance against practical standards. Addressing limitations. Despite its achievements, Mariner is not without flaws. Google's project manager, Jawin Cornell, acknowledged that like many advanced AI systems, Mariner is not always accurate. However, its transparency and reasoning capabilities demonstrate significant progress, paving the way for further refinement in the future. Google's broader AI vision Mariner is not an isolated project. It is part of Google's broader push into AI, leveraging the Gemini 2.0 platform. This platform powers various tools, including the Gemini chatbot and the AI overviews feature in Google Search. Together, these projects aim to integrate AI more deeply into daily life, making digital tools smarter and more intuitive. Other notable AI projects. Google's AI innovations extend beyond Mariner. The company recently unveiled the Willow quantum chip, which has garnered attention for its potential impact on blockchain security, particularly Bitcoin. Additionally, Google is developing Project Astra, an AI-driven tool focused on smartphone interaction. While Astra is still in development, it represents another step forward in reshaping human technology interactions. Challenges and competition. Google's ambitions are not without hurdles. Regulatory challenges, such as the US Justice Department's antitrust concerns, could impact Mariner's seamless integration with Chrome. If Chrome and Google are forced to separate, Mariner's development could face significant disruptions. This tension between technological advancement and regulatory scrutiny is a constant balancing act for Google and other tech giants. Furthermore, the AI agent field is becoming increasingly competitive. Companies like OpenAI and Anthropic are also developing tools that interact with digital platforms autonomously. Industry experts predict significant improvements and innovations in AI frameworks, making this an exciting yet challenging time for companies in the field. Ethical and legal concerns in AI. OpenAI's Media Manager. While Google focuses on AI advancements, OpenAI is grappling with ethical and legal issues. One notable project, Media Manager, was announced to give creators control over how their content is used in AI training. The tool was intended to allow creators to flag their work for inclusion or exclusion in data sets. Critics argue that OpenAI has not prioritized this project, and lawsuits alleging unauthorized use of copyrighted content for training models have added to the company's challenges. While OpenAI has implemented opt-out mechanisms, many creators find these options overly complex and ineffective. Legal experts are skeptical that Media Manager, even if completed, would resolve the broader issues given the varying copyright laws globally. Security risks in large language models. OpenAI and other companies are also facing growing security concerns. Researchers at Palo Alto Networks recently discovered a new jailbreaking technique called the bad liar judge attack. This method exploits models by instructing them to act as a judge and rate responses based on a scoring system, tricking them into generating harmful or inappropriate content. Tests of this technique on major AI models, including those from OpenAI, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, revealed vulnerabilities across the board. Other identified methods, such as persona persuasion and token smuggling, further highlight the risks associated with large language models. Mitigating risks. Despite these challenges, researchers emphasize that most AI models remain safe when used responsibly. To mitigate risks, content filtering systems can be used alongside language models. In tests, such filters reduce the success rate of jailbreak attempts by an average of 89.2 percentage points, demonstrating the importance of layered defenses in ensuring AI safety. The future of AI. The unveiling of Mariner, alongside other projects like Project Astra, reflects Google's commitment to leading in AI and technology. These advancements are part of a rapidly evolving AI ecosystem where companies are pushing boundaries to integrate AI into everyday life. Companies like Google and OpenAI must navigate these complexities while continuing to innovate. For now, tools like Mariner represent the transformative potential of AI in reshaping how people interact with technology. And that's a wrap. Google's Mariner is just one piece of the exciting puzzle in the ever-evolving world of AI. As we've seen, the possibilities are endless, but so are the challenges. What do you think about Mariner and its potential? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest in AI and tech, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. And visit judyfmarketing.com for more amazing insights into marketing strategies in the age of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.